The man is bending over. The armies fought the other army. There are dead men under that ground. And probably dead men under that ground too. Look over there. That is barrier. He's dead. Like Ginkgo over there. Okay, time to move on.
You wanna go explain Ginkgo?
Ginkgo?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So Ginkgo is that tree over there. You see a tree over there? That is Ginkgo. He thinks it is tree, but I think it's dead man underneath tree. And that is playing energy to tree. All right, moving on. The Ginkgo family. God damn it, dog.
Is the dog giving you a hard time?
A little bit. Let's go. There is tree that got cut. Look, a bush. Very useless. Maybe it's another Ginkgo family member. It could be. It is not Ginkgo family. I do not care. There, look. It is flower that did not bloom even though it's spring. Look over there. We have Karate Kid tree. It was much smaller. Let me tell you. It was so much nicer. Okay, so you see that metal thing? I've seen it everywhere. Okay, time to see what this is called. Let us go. Dog, I swear to butterfly bush. Not very pretty, is it? To the next place. All okay. Ching chong wong. I feel like a tourist. There is water.
Do you feel like a tourist?
Yes. I feel like I've never been to this place before, which I haven't.
Tatan?
Yes.
What is that?
What? Oh, it is Dorothy's way.
No, okay, not that way.
What the hell? What do you mean? This is Dorothy's way.
Behind us.
Why would we go behind us?
Because Dorothy's way is always wrong.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
God damn it.
Turn behind us.
No, I like following the rules. Follow the yellow path.
That's not the rule.
Yes, it is.
Let's go.
Follow the yellow path and then you'll
Come on,
get
the
to
dog. The dog says
path
go
to
this way.
What?
The dog says go this way.
Dog, let's go. If she gets on this side, I swear. What the hell was that?
It's a transition.
No, I am not walking to the tree.
Just explain what the yellow tape means.
Murder. Obviously, we're in a park. What do you expect? Is this a homicide, a rape, or a murder? The dog was just getting in then.
Hold on, wait. Hold on, wait.
Why am I
Hey.
waiting?
Hey.
What? Ow. Ow. Look at this tree. The man is bending over. Another tree will come later and fuck this tree. And then this tree will have baby tree. That baby tree will grow in this spot. Baby tree will be big and then bend over just like its mother.
We seem to be a little trapped.
My hand is so numb. I think this was
I think we sit by tree now.
no wait, hold up. I just realized
What?
that before this woman began, the woman tree began to bend over, it murdered this tree.
It
Look.
murdered the tree.
Yes, look at this tree. It is dead. It is in pieces. And then she was like, oh, I didn't do that, and bent over. This was nature with Sebastian. I mean, Tatan. Whatever. You know what I mean. We're gonna drift out of here with the dog. I could stop holding this dog for once. And Ginkgo will live in peace. Good day.